Hey guys, welcome back. It's Jesse, and as I promised, here is the light that I am going to do the review on. It's the Braun, available at Harbor Freight. Usually runs around $40. I picked mine up for about $20. They usually go on sale. It feels like every other month they're on sale. And on top of being on sale, you can use a 20% coupon. So that helps a little bit extra. So it is rechargeable. It's an LED light, and it's got 3 light settings. Here's the brightest, less bright, and then the tip, and of course off. It's also magnetic, and it's a really strong magnet. Let me show you guys why it's strong. Here's a little plastic pad on top of my toolbox, and show you something. If this was anything else, it would have tipped over by now, but it comes back because there's a super strong magnet on there. With that being said, I wouldn't put this on a car, on the paint, or on a fridge. If you do, there's a little tip for you. You can put like super glue, some cloth or some cheesecloth on there, and that'll keep it from damaging the surface or scratching it up. Something else is that it is rechargeable. All you need is a little USB plug. Charge it for about an hour and you have a fully charged battery. Something else to note on that, on the instructions when I first got it, it did say do not keep it plugged in. Something like don't keep it plugged in overnight or for a long period of time. It could cause fire. I think they're just being extra cautious, but I would still not leave it plugged in for a long period of time. Just leave it for an hour, unplug it, and you'll be safe that way. Let me know if you guys have any questions on this Braun flashlight. There's other reviews out there. I wanted to keep it quick, short. There's other reviews that are out there. If I didn't cover something, maybe they did. I try to keep this one short. And on that note, I was really impressed with this Braun flashlight that I actually went back about 2 or 3 weeks ago and I bought this other Braun flashlight. Let me know if you want me to do a review on it. I think I picked it up for under $5 because I had a coupon. So a quick story is my brother was also really impressed with this flashlight, and that's why I bought it. I think he now owns like 2 of these. So I think he stuck one in his wife's car, and actually he has 3, one in his car, one in his wife's car, and then one in his toolbox. So I think that's pretty neat. I think I'm gonna do the same thing. Let me know what you guys do for emergency lights in your vehicles. All right guys, I'm trying to keep it short. So let me know how I did. If you like it, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll catch you guys later. Thank you.